Hi students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss some key benefits of cloud computing in education. As we all know, in today's world, everywhere we see cloud computing services, right? We can access those services very easily. So in case of education department, we have some 6 key points. We are going to discuss all these in this video. So let's start with the first point, that is students save on expensive textbooks. As we all know, university level textbooks are very expensive and everyone is not able to buy all these books, right? So cloud based textbooks are an effective solution to this problem. We can access textbooks, or we can say ebooks, with the help of cloud in PDF forms also, right? So digital content, we can access digital content with the help of cloud computing, and this digital content tends to be lot less expensive, thus allowing lower income students to get access to the same quality. We can access the books of same quality of learning material as other students, right? So this is a major key benefit of cloud computing in field of education, that students save on expensive textbooks. There is no need to buy textbook for your university or school level. We can access any kind of ebook in the form of PDF with the help of cloud. The next point we have is learning material need not be outdated, right? As an extension to this point, expensive textbooks compel students to rely on older second-hand edition that consist of outdated material, right? As we all know, outdated materials are 30 to 50% useless, right? For example, if I am preparing for any competitive exam and I am preparing from any outdated syllabus, so we all know the results. So cloud-based material makes it easy to update content. It allows to update content in real time, hence enabling students to gain constant access to the latest learning resources. In simple terms, we can say that with the help of cloud computing, we can access latest learning material or resources, right? So this is about learning material need not be outdated. Next point is no need to carry around devices. Since we all know cloud based applications run on web, right? We can access all these services with the help of web browsers and are compatible with most mobile devices. We can access anything with the help of web browsers and mobile devices. So there is no need to own your specific computer or laptop or other devices to access that material. Even a cheap smartphone can allow you to access related academic application. We can access any application from anywhere. We know this rule, right? With the help of cloud computing, we can access anything from anywhere. Right? So there is no need to carry around devices. Next point we have is data security. As we all know, in every situation, security is the first key point. Even in the world of education, your data, images, information, and content needs to be stored in a secure manner. Security is a major thing, right? Most cloud-based mobile application offers strong authentication facilities. It offers strong authentication facilities for making sure that academic material is made available only to the right people. So this is about data security. Finally, we have easy access of cloud services. As we all know, with the help of cloud, we can access easily any type of file. It can be any image, any file, any audio, or any type of video file. We can access all these from anywhere in this world, right? With the in case of education, with the help of cloud, we can plan our lesson, grade, notes, slides, lab, etc. It can be made available on cloud applications, right? All the tools that are used in teaching, all the teaching tools can be used with the help of cloud, and it can be uploaded and accessed anytime, anywhere by the students or the professors, right? This is taken under easy access. Next point we have is there is no need for expensive hardware and software. Cloud-based applications run on web browsers, and we can access them from anywhere in this world, right? And all these applications are compatible with the most of the mobile phones, school and student. So school and student don't need specific computers or laptop to access these materials, right? So we can access anything with the help of cloud. So there is no need for expensive hardware or expensive software. With the help of cloud computing in education, software as a service and hardware as a service system provide us so many softwares and hardwares, and we can just access those software anytime, right? So this is all about key benefits of cloud computing in education. Thank you so much for watching this video.